Hello, thank you for joining today's executive webinar session, Introductions to Eba Enterprise Business Process Automation Platform and SAP ERP together for digitization and automation in this digital age. My name is Kevin Devecioglu, and I have my colleagues with me today to perform this executive webinar session for you. I have Samvat with us. He's our senior pre-sales software engineer. He is with us to perform a demonstration. Also with us today, I have Eba Desai, our pre-sales software engineer at Bimser International. Eba will be also perform a demonstration about Eba to introduce you features and benefits of our platform. I'd like to start first by introducing our company and Eba as a platform on a high level. Bimser International is an enterprise software publisher since 1998, based in New York with global presence. In essence, we help companies adopt digital transformation and simplify business processes. We have global presence. While we are based in New York, we have presence in Middle East and Europe, and we are actively working globally in many different markets to help organizations adopt digital transformation and simplify business processes. We are a certified SAP vendor, and all of our products are ready to integrate with SAP ERP and SAP business software systems. Since 1998, we developed these 4 products, Eba, being QDMS and Ensemble. Eba, we'll talk more about today, our enterprise business process automation platform. BIM is our enterprise asset maintenance, facility, fleet, and energy management system. We have QDMS, that is our quality, risk, audit, performance, and compliance management software, helps companies comply with ISO, SQA, DRC, FDA type of quality and regulatory standards and requirements. We also have Ensemble as our business process modeling and balanced scorecard software. We also have Synergy CSP, our brand new true cloud content services platform, helps companies manage business processes in a cloud environment. We also develop an application on Eba platform called Contract Management Application. It helps companies manage contracts in a digital environment with no need of paper. We have developed and deployed many different projects. These numbers also show how many customers we have. We have more than 2,000 corporate customers. We also have more than 2 million professional users using our systems on a daily basis. So our systems are mature, they are secure, and they are scalable. And they are trusted by many different reputable brands, organizations, and institutions. As you see on this slide, we have been working with many different reputable companies. We work with 3M, we work with Bridgestone, Verizon Alliance, Henkel, Hyundai, Ford, and many other reputable organizations have been using our software systems for many years. Let's talk about Eba as a platform on a high level. I'd like to share some introductory information before our demo session. Eba is an enterprise business process automation platform. It helps companies digitize and automate business processes with a low-code, no-code development environment. We have more than 500 corporate clients using Eba and more than 1.5 million professional users using our systems on a daily basis. It is vertical free, it works on cloud, it works on-premise servers, it is permission-based, it has advanced security features such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, audit trail. It has notifications, reminders, and escalations to help you make sure that the job is done in timely fashion. Also, it comes with a native mobile application, works with Android and iOS devices. Eba is a certified SAP application. It is listed in SAP Marketplace that you can access anytime you like. for more information. Advanced integration capabilities makes Eba preferred platform for many reputable organizations. Eba can integrate with ERP systems, CRM systems, manufacturing execution systems, IoT devices, and many other business processes to help you have an integrated business management environment and to help you avoid double entry. Eba already has SAP integrations available. This is a foundational integration model that we have that we can expand anytime based on your business requirements, challenges, and expectations. Eba is vertical free. We have been developing Eba in many different industries to help digitize and automate business processes, such as automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, energy, pharmaceutical, mining, retail, finance, and banking, and many other companies in many different industries have been enjoying the benefits of Eba to digitize and automate business processes. Eba has 4 modules. It has workflow module, document and records management module, capture module, and executive dashboard module. These modules are independent and interdependent and help companies digitize and automate business processes as they wish. When we look at workflow module, it comes with a low-code, no-code business process development environment. Even if you don't know anything about coding, with our drag and drop technology, you can design your business forms and business flows to digitize and automate your business processes. Low-code Design Studio is easy to use. And upon training, you can digitize your business processes with approvals, delegations, notifications, reminders, and escalations. It also has a flow history, an audit trail to help you understand where the business process is, how it is progressing, and whose action needs to be taken to move the process further. At the moment, there are more than 50,000 business processes running on Eba platform by many different organizations from different verticals, different industries. These business processes are many different business processes such as expense management, change management, training management, vendor supplier approval, management, quality control, contract management, HR management, and many others. In addition, some of our customers using Eba to develop applications for machine check, calibration management, work order management, instant management, preventive and predictive maintenance management, and many other operational business processes as well, as a common business process digitization and automation platform in their organizations. Document management and records management module are designed to help you manage your documents. These documents may be PDF files, Word files, audio files, videos, images, and can be any type of document. You can store your documents, you can archive them, you can retrieve them, and you can search for them from anywhere since the system is web-based. It has also role-based capabilities. We offer privileges to certain team members for certain information. Also, you can manage versions of documents. Check-in and check-out feature helps you make updates one by one in the system, and you can have many different versions of the same document. Module has folder listener and mail integration capabilities to help you automate your document management and records management capabilities. Capture module comes with an OCR technology, optical character recognition. Helps you automate your business processes, such as accounts payable automation, accounts receivable automation, sales order automation, customer complaint automation, and many other business processes can be digitized and automated with the help of capture module. Executive Dashboard module designed to help you have your KPIs in a visual environment. These reports, this visual environment comes with bar charts, pie charts, maps, tables, and many other visual tools to help you have your KPIs right in front of you in real time, so that you can see how your department, how your company and operations are doing, so that you can make managerial decisions based on the data available for you. Some more reputable organizations using Eba on a daily basis that I'd like to share with you. In conclusion, Eba has been in the market since 1998. It is reliable, it is scalable, it is mature, and you can use Eba to enjoy the benefits of digitization and automation as a common platform with your SAP ERP system. Regardless of what industry you're in, what type of operations you have, Eba is ready to help you automate and digitize your business processes, no matter where you are. Now, what I like to do is I like to invite my colleague, Porva, to our virtual stage. Porva will be introducing you our Eba platform on a high level. After Porva's demonstration, we will continue with our Eba SAP demonstration as part of our executive webinar session of today. Porva, why don't you take over the screen and show us how Eba looks, how it feels,
yes,
and introduce us, please. Thank you.
Yep, thank you, Kevin. So here is Eba, the demo environment for Eba. So just as Kevin mentioned earlier, it is a web-based system and can be accessed using any web browser. It is also a permission-based system, so not everyone has access to everything in the system. So right now I'm logged in as an administrator, so I'm able to have access to everything in the system. As you can see here, we have the main dashboard in Eba, and we have these interactive widgets. So for example, we have some of our approvals here, as well as our last visited documents. And we also have some of our favorited documents. And Eba also has a notification system to get your latest updates on your dashboard. And on the left here, we have the 4 main modules in Eba. So for example, we have our document management module. So for example, we have these different libraries here. And in those libraries, we have our folders. And in the folders, we have our documents. So you must be wondering, well, how can we view the documents? Well, in that case, Eba has a built-in browser that enables you to view your documents. And as you heard earlier, you can also see the date of creation of the documents, as well as the modification date. And Eba consists of all document formats from PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, video, audio, and so on. So just to show you how we can view the documents, here is the built-in web browser. All right, so on our right here, we actually have a tab for the version. So as you can see here, we have 2 different versions of this document available, and you can always select the version that you want to view, or you can also add another version, and you can compare 2 different versions that you want to. So here is our document right here. And you can also download the document, or even if you want to take notes on the document, you can also do that by using this feature right here. So you would put in the description here, and you also have the ability to choose who is able to view your notes depending upon the user and the role. And if we come back here, we also have a tab for security. So since I'm logged in as administrator, I'm able to give access to or deny access to the following features. So who is able to view the document, download it, print it, and modify it, and some other actions depending upon the person's role, position, profession, department, and group. And also here, we can send an external link of the document, and we can also view the history of the document. So we're able to see who the last user was, as well as the action that they had and when it occurred. So in terms of security, this is a very good feature to have because you're better able to monitor the activity on your documents. And next, we have our dashboard module. So here we have these interactive widgets to monitor our KPIs, for example. And these are very interactive and you can design them the way that you want to. And you can also export this to an Excel or a PDF file. And we also have a maintenance administration panel here. So once again, these are interactive widgets, so you have different graphs. And for example, we have a company list right here. So if I were to choose a different company here, the data on the other widgets changes according to the company that you choose. And you're also welcome to export this to an Excel or a PDF file. And now I'm going to hand it over to Sam to get a bit more into some of the other modules.
Thank you, Paula, for your high-level introductions to Eba. Let me take over the screen and we can continue our executive webinar session. As you saw during Paula's demonstration, Eba has many different capabilities to help you manage your business processes. These business processes can be from any industry, from any of your departments. Now we'd like to talk about how Eba runs, how it helps you digitize and automate your business processes from workflow point of view. You can always have more information about Eba on our website, bimserint.com. Now I'd like to hand it over to my colleague, Samad, to show you how Eba can help you digitize and automate your business processes and how it interacts, how it works with SAP ERP system. Today, we'll show you with one of the SAP ERP systems available. However, please keep in mind that Eba can work with any SAP ERP or SAP business software system available, since that's a certified solution. So please take over the screen and show us Eba and SAP together in an integrated way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kevin and Prue, for your presentation and demonstration. In the following, I will demonstrate you how Eba integrates with SAP ERP. And in my demo environment, there is an application for managing the material information and also the vendor information. And these two applications are integrated with SAP ERP. So we can open this application as a new request in Eba. And what you will see is a form that for us to enter the data for managing the material information. And for all the application that we have in Eba, there is a unique workflow working behind it. And please keep in mind that for the form and also the workflow, they are not static or constant in our system. Both of them are configurable, which means for the form layout and also the workflow, we can always configure it based upon the actual operations of your company and also your expectations. Coming back to the form where we enter the data, so we can copy the information from the existing material that we record in SAP. And what you will see in a list that we capture all the material that we have recorded in SAP. And let me show you right here. Right now, I just put on the screen, it's my SAP demo environment. And I'm going to get into the material table. So you will see right here, we have the exact same data set in two different systems. Meaning, as for Eba, we capture all this data from SAP to ours. And we can select one of these in this list and saying from Sunny. And then for creating a new material, we capture the information from the existing record, and we can put together what we want to enter as a new one, a new record in the system. And once it is ready, then we can send this out and put this request into our workflow. So based on the workflow that we have set up, as we can always refer to the work scheme, then this request will be sent to the next approver. Also, the system shows you this flow history page, and this is the audit trail that we can always keep tracking the status of our request. So right now, we sent our request to Brian, and as an admin, I have the privilege to switch between different user accounts. So I'm going to log in as Brian and finish the whole workflow. Based on the workflow that we have defined in this sample application, the integration of pushing the data back to SAP will happen at the last of the workflow, meaning in between I have to review and also approve this request. Let us log in as Brian. So as logging in as Brian, I can find this particular request right on my homepage, meaning right after I log into the account. So we can get a quick connection and start managing this particular request. So right here, this is the request that we have just filed in, and we can tell from the date and also the time, in addition to the module name that we have just put together. So we can reveal all this information and then save and continue and get into the next step. So there will be another approval that we need for completing this workflow. And now we send this to Yuri. So let us log in back as the admin and switch to Yuri account. Again, with the admin privilege, I can log into other user accounts in Eba. And let me get a quick connection to this request right after login from the home page. And as the approver, I can open this request and reveal this all this information that we have by using this application. There we go, and then we can reveal it. If everything is okay, then we can save and continue and get into the final approval based on the workflow. Again, as for the workflow, it is configurable. That means we will configure the workflow based upon your actual operation. This is just a sample workflow that we put together for demo purposes. And let's log in back as the admin, and at last we will get into Siri account. We have Siri. And there we go. As the final approver, we can review this particular request, open this up in our system, get the final review, and then put this into SAP. And once we got the form, and let me show you the workflow again. So this is our form. We can find exactly data that we have, and where the workflow is here. And at last, we will insert this material to SAP and then end this workflow. So let's see, when we are approving it, then this material is now inserting in SAP. Once the inserting is ready, then we will find a page, the flow history page, that shows that the material is created. Then now we can get into SAP and see if we really have that material in SAP. Let's display the material, and this is the one that we have just created with the exact same name inserted in SAP with the aid of our Eba application. It comes to the end of my demonstration of an Eba and SAP integration. Thank you very much. Let me hand back the floor to Kevin.
Thank you, Sam, for your demonstration. Much appreciated. As you saw during my colleague Sam's demonstration, Eba and SAP ERP systems can work together based on your business requirements, your challenges, as well as your business expectations. Eba is a certified SAP solution and can work with any SAP ERP or SAP software product available in the marketplace. For more information, you can visit our website at bimserint.net or bimserint.com to have more information, to watch some use cases, to download catalogs, brochures, and some other information that you may want to have. If you'd like to schedule a demo session with us, you can send an email via our website or directly to bimserint@bimserint.com. I'd like to thank you for your time and for your interest, and we are looking forward to having you at our coming executive webinar series. Thank you very much and have a nice day.